Assalamu alaikum ya tulab, salam students and friends. Yes, we're back with the program Enjoy Arabic More. And we're obviously still busy with the lesson 2. And the next exercise we're looking at will be reading some letters with different sounds, as well as writing a few of these letters and sound combinations. So let's look at the first exercise, which is on page 6. And it says, read and copy اكتب. And on the other side, you see اقرأ. Or اكتب واقرأ. اكتب واقرأ. So of course, copy we translated to اكتب, or اكتب we translated to copy, because in English we say copy down that word, but basically it means write down the word. So uktub is write, and اقرأ is, of course, read. And if you want to say write and read, or read and write, you will say اقرأ واكتب. اقرأ واكتب. And if you want to say write and read, then you will say اكتب واقرأ. اكتب واقرأ. So in other words, the U and the E in the commands, we had uktub, we had undur, we had ikra, and udrus, and so on. So all that U's in front and the E will disappear if anything precedes the instruction. For example, if you say and read, it will be waqra. If you say and write is uktub, but and write would be waktub. If you say study, it's udrus. But if you say do that and study, then it's wadrus. I hope that's clear. Let's read. Iqra, read the letters. What's letters again? Huruf. So Iqra al-huruf, or Iqra al-huruf. Iqra al-huruf. Of course, we read from the right hand side as the arrow indicates. So the first letter, first harf, الحرف الأول. Let's read. اقرأ. That is B. B. Second one, T. T. Third one, Th. Th. Then we have Na. Na. Next, Y. Y. Next one, Ba. Ba. Then B. B. And finally, Na. Na. So that's the first row. Let's go to the next row. First one is Bu. الأول Bu. الثاني, second one, Ya. Ya. الثالث ت. ت. الرابع ت. ت. الخامس بن. بن. Then we have the sixth one, which will be السادس. السادس N. N. The seventh letter or sound, السابع, is U. U. And the eighth one, or the last one there, eighth one is الثامن, which is 2. 2. Next row. First one, Na. Na. Next one, Tun. Tun. Then we have Th. Th. Then we have Ya. Ya. Then Al-Khamis again, Thi. Thi. السادس Thu. Thu. Next one, Ni. Ni. And then T. T. Let's go to the fourth row. First one, الأول تو. الحرف الأول تو. الثاني ين ين. Then ي ي, followed by nun nun. Then we have ba ba, ta ta. Then bi bi, and finally ya ya. Let's look at the last row. First letter يا. الحرف الأول يا. الحرف الثاني ث ث. الحرف الثالث بن بن. الحرف الرابع ن ن. الحرف الخامس ن ن. الحرف السادس ث ث. الحرف السابع ت ت. والحرف الثامن ب ب. طيب, brings us to the end of this exercise. Let's move on. So now we're looking at a few letters, and it says copy the letters. اكتب. In other words, write the letters. And the first letter is what? The B. So let's write. This is how we write B, with a dot at the bottom. B. Next letter, same shape with a T. And then third letter is also the exact same shape with 3 dots on top. So 3 for Th. Then finally the shape is slightly different with 1 dot on top. So that is the way we write these letters. Right? Let's do it again. First letter B. It's a boat shape with 1 dot at the bottom. Then we have another boat with 2 tiny dots on top. 2 on top. That's a T. And then we have the same boat with 3 dots on top, and that's the Th for 3. 3 for Th. And then finally the N has 1 dot on top. Let's look at the next exercise. اكتب, once again. اكتب الحروف, copy the letters. And the first one is the Y. And it looks similar, but it has a curl on top first before the boat shape, and again with 2 dots at the bottom. That's the Y. The alif is just a stroke down, and then we have the ta followed by the alif. Of course, ta has 2 dots on top, as we said. And then the na or nun alif, we write first the nun followed by the alif from bottom to top, and then the 1 dot of the n. Remember, 1 dot on top. And that's how we write na or nun alif. طيب, that brings us to the end of this session. شكرا جزيلا والسلام.